This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Reach under the passenger's side of the fascia. Pull down the clip and remove the access cover from the side of the heater housing. Slide the filter element from the housing. Remove dirt and debris from the housing, then gently manoeuvre the new filter into place. Note that the arrows on the edge of the filter indicating airflow must point to the rear of the vehicle. Clip the access cover back into place.